It's a cult. It's a cult. And that's what the Copernican principle is. All the evidence shows the Earth is in the center. And no one knows any of this. It's been omitted from the consciousness of people. And then you get into the physical test, it just definitively proves it. And we've actually shown that the interferometry correlates to periodicity of the sun, meaning that the solar motion, how light travels and interferes with itself, changes based on the time of year.
So the universe is expanding.
No. That's the philosophical assumption required to get rid of the idea the Earth could be in the center. Hubble actually said it was intolerable and horrific. It shows that it implies the Earth's in the center, akin to what everyone thought throughout mankind. But we're going to avoid that at all costs. That people have a bias against the idea of intelligent design, therefore exclude the possibility of geocentrism, because that is very clearly what is happening. Stephen Hawking literally says, I can't disprove geocentrism. I reject it on grounds of modesty. Hubble calls it intolerable and horrific. Lawrence Krauss says it's coming back to haunt us. The Copernican principle is coming back to haunt us in his film. There is a bias against intelligent design, similar to how modern academia is overwhelmingly drowning in liberalism.
Yeah.
Well, modern academia in terms of science is drowning in atheism. And it actually implements philosophical bias at this point, and they can't have a creator. Well, I would say that even in the mainstream model, you still need a creator, right? But it doesn't matter. The point is, like, you see that every atheist I've ever talked to, I said, so if the Earth were in the center, let's say hypothetically, do you agree that it had to be put there? None of them deny that it drastically increases the chances of intelligent design at the least, right? Because if it's in the center of the whole universe,